Hey guys, it's me again. I'm back with another brand new video for you guys only. And in this video, we are going to talk about something interesting. In this video, we are going to talk about Faye and Fayoko as well. So you guys better get ready. I actually was searching for opportunity, any chance to talk about it. And I guess this is the day. Guess what? Do you guys remember in Faye's fan meet, Faye actually wore this specific dress, right? We actually haven't talked about it, but somehow our fandom noticed that the dress actually had a butterfly, yeah, pattern with made with the safety pin. Let me show you guys this dress, all right? Here it is. This is the dress, and see, yeah, the butterfly pattern. And we all know what does butterfly mean, right? Yeah, yeah. It refers to Yoko, in case you guys don't know this. Another thing, now I want to show you guys is that Faye actually wearing another butterfly accessories recently. And what it is, let me show you. This is right there. Yeah, see? I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you. Faye is so whipped with her wifey, with her girlie. Anyway, I actually talked about it for a reason. A lot of people are doubting on Faye Yoko, right? I mean, it's up to you whether they want to ship Faye Yoko or not. But let me tell you guys one thing. In this past couple of days, we have seen bunch of Faye Yoko signals, Faye Yoko hints from Faye only. Remember that. I mean, throughout the whole fan meet, just talk about this. We got two fan meets back to back, and in those fan meets, Faye actually subtly gave us loads of hints of Fayuk, right? I mean, at first it was full of bubbles. Yeah, here it is. Right. I've actually talked about it in loads of my previous videos and every other stuff. Yeah, it's really good to see all of this, guys. And always do remember, if you ever have any doubt of Fayoko, remember one thing. Faye is the biggest fan of Yoko, and Yoko is the biggest fan of Faye. That's the truth. And another thing, yeah, you got it right. Faye and Yoko are the biggest Faye Yoko shipper out there. That's for sure. That's for sure. I'm just letting you guys know this. In case you guys are having a bad day somehow, I'm here to make your day better. Hopefully, this also gives you some kind of hope, right? Yeah, I know this is a sorry, I know this is a short video, but I'm just letting you guys know everything, all right? Much videos to come, that's for sure. So you guys better keep an eye on the channel for regular update, all right? I'll see you guys soon, no worries. Another thing I want to mention, in throughout those fan meets, oh my, not to mention loads of stuff, as I said, pink background, pink theme, and every freaking thing. Come on, just think about it. Yeah, Fire actually always finds a way to let us know that they will be okay and we are okay. You guys better listen to Fire. That's it. Wait. Fire just actually posted this the other day. Let me show you. Here it is. Okay. How cute, isn't it? Hmm. Is she hinting towards someone? Certain someone whose name actually kinda starts with Y? Hmm. Don't come after me. Don't come after me. I'm just wondering. I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying anything. I mean, just guys, think about it. In these previous days, Faye have showed us everything. She included Yoko in every single of her work. That's the truth. She tried to include any significant any signals, any hints of Yoko in her every work. And we actually talked about it. We actually made a bunch of videos about it. We have actually discussed about loads, right? Then how come some people can still have doubt on Fayoko? Remember, the time is way too cruel, right? And we are kind of going through a roller coaster phase. Don't forget that. Yeah. See, in these times, it actually showed the true color of fans. Whether you are toxic solos, or you are actually supportive, this kind of cruel time actually shows everything. And if you are going to ask me, then I'm here for Fayoko forever. I'm here for them for eternity. Because I have seen them together. I have seen their loads of interaction and every single of their things actually. And the way they used to behave with each other, this doesn't go away in just few nights. It doesn't go away overnight. So yeah, kinda use your brain, try to use your brain for this, because they both are in different agency right now. They now, and not to mention, oh my Yoko under 9 star and the disaster they are. So don't forget that they can't openly and directly say anything to us. I'm talking about both Faye and Yoko, that's for sure. Now, the way Faye is letting us know everything, as I already said it, she is sending us loads of hints, loads of signals, and Yoko as well. Maybe it's much less than Faye, but somehow she's trying, guys. And not to mention the closest circle. They are closest one as well. Yeah. They also gave us loads of hints via their action as well. So how come people can have doubt on Fayoko? I just don't get it, guys. I mean, it's up to you again whether you want to, support or ship Fayoko or not. But yeah, as I said, I have 1000% believe in Faye and Fayoko as well, and Yoko as well. Yeah, that's for sure. I always say it. I legit have no doubt on Faye and Yoko. As soon as they are feeding us, they are feeding onto our delusional. We are okay. I always say it, and I'm going to say it again. Fayoko are the biggest Fayoko shipper out there, and they are actually keeping the ship float. Don't forget that. I mean, just think about it, guys. In the past few weeks, actually, Faye has given us immense hints, immense hints. I can't even complain about it. So you best watch out. So, what's your opinion and your thoughts on it? Let me know in the comment section below. All right. So yeah, this was all it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, of course, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and do like, comment, share, and do subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon, very soon, with new update, with new video. Till then, take care and keep smiling. I'll definitely see you guys soon with new update. All right. Bye.